Hey, it's Brett Jackson with Heartland Turf. We get a lot of questions about seeding in the springtime. A lot of people want to seed, and it makes sense. You start thinking about your yard when the weather starts getting nice and the grass starts turning green. You want to plant flowers and seed your yard and get out in the yard and do some work. Unfortunately, spring is not the best time to seed. Fall is, and here's kind of some of the reasons why. First of all, it interferes with your ability to put down a crabgrass pre-emergent. So if you're trying to prevent the weeds in your yards from coming up, and you put down a crabgrass pre-emergent, the pre-emergent actually kills crabgrass seeds, but it kills grass seed too. So it really makes it tough to control those weeds during the season. Secondly, and this is a big one, especially if you don't have an irrigation system, is it only gives a couple of months for the root system to really become established before the heat of the summer comes and the hot, dry weather comes, which is the hardest time of the year on lawns. So that's probably a big one. It's just making it through the summer with brand new grass. In the fall time when you plant, you actually get you get 3 seasons, 9 months of root establishment. So you get nice deep roots before the next summer comes. Another big one that people don't really think about is if you verticut or aerate in the springtime and you seed, what you're doing is you're opening up the lawn or opening up the ground really to accept that seed. But that's also when a lot of other weed seeds are blowing around and can land in those slots that you're opening up to get that grass seed into. So you'll end up with a yard full of weeds if you do that. So we recommend definitely waiting till the fall if you absolutely can to seed your yard. You'll have a lot better results. Your yard will look better. You'll be glad you waited. Now, if you are okay with some weeds and you're going to water the heck out of your yard and you just can't tolerate having a wet, muddy yard, for instance, then you can possibly try to get some seeding done in the springtime. It's just there's a lot of downfalls that you have to deal with. So I wanted to make you aware of that and keep that in mind if you want to do some spring seeding. Thanks so much.